Hello guys, in today's video I am playing Teardown. Oh, there you go, that's louder. Hold on, let me turn on this volume. Hello, well there we go. Villa Gordon, yeah, it gets us mods. I can't get physics gun to work. A meteor strike, Thanos snap, Thor, God of Thunder, One Punch Man. Say bye-bye to this. Woo! Yeah, anything that punches, detaches. Oh, black. Give it a second. Oh, there we go. Hold up. I back. Boom. Lol. This might freeze it for a bit. Yeah. Oh. Give it a second. Yep. I froze. Just give it a second. La la. Oh. There's something. Doesn't look like anything. Oh. There we go. Oh. That was faster. Hiya! Open up. Ugh, taking this. Oh no, I was punching shit. Really strong. Yeah. Hiya! Oh. Yeah. There you go. Hiya! Oh. There you go. Hiya! Yeah. It's One Punch Man plus. Say bye-bye. Waiting. Come on. Oh, there we go. Minigun. Very laggy. Hey. Come back. Come on. Hammer. Oh, that looks weird in third person. Oh, yeah. They're breaking. Oh, oh my. Come on. Alright, move door. Yeah. Hold up. Input. I need to turn down the volume. Oh, audio. Sounds. There we go. Should be quieter. Yeah, sort of. Yup. Yeah. Oh. Whoops. Who needs his couch? Nobody. Nobody. We don't need a TV. Come on, come on. Son. Yeah. That can go far. No. Detaching bed. Hiya! We are. Oh. Ouch. Destroyer. Hiya! We don't need this fridge. I said, get out. This is fun. Yeah. Whoops. Prepare to get yeeted. Yeah. Same with you. I'm just going to use this. Forgot to turn on jetpack mod. On here. Whee! We don't need this. Yeah. Oh. Froze. Oh, there it goes. Hiya. Oh. Yeah. Long freeze. This one. Oh. Oh, shoot. I see. Oh no. Ugh. Oh no, it doesn't work. I'm gonna use this. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh my god, the lag. Can eat a lot of stuff. Now I got all this all over the floor. I'll clean up to get rid of the lag. What the? Haven't heard that. Lightning strike. Yeah. Oh, there goes the lag's gone. Yeah. Oh, what the? Whatever. Drive through. Ooh, they have a sauna. What? Shut up. Shut up. Tank time. Coming through. You guys know. I think I broke it. It says hammer is close. Yeah, I know it's close. Yeah, I broke the hidden thing. We're gonna use this. But you didn't know this secret. See, look. Highlights. Or an Easter egg. There we go. Ooh. Yeah, that might destroy it. Ah! Get thrown. I need you. Nope. Nope. Whatever. Eating time. Oop. Let's go into space. Hiya! Oh. I can still see the truck. Oh, now it's in the water. Hiya! Yep, fun. Hiya! Oh, yeah! Let's see how high I can throw it. Punch it. Whatever. Hiya! That's in space for sure. Yeah, I know hammer is close because it's in my hand. See? Yeah. Yeah. Didn't really work. I'm breaking the stairway. Yeah. Come on. Load. Yeah. Anyways, what is this doing in here? Yeah. Open the window. Yeah. 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 Oh, give it time. Yeah. Didn't really work. Whoa. What is this? Will not know what I punched. Yeah. 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 It doesn't really work. Hiya! 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 Oh my god. Hi. Move this door. We need a door. Move. Hi. Look it down here. Hiya. Oh, missed. Hiya. We don't need these windows. Hiya. Yeah. I'm in. Let's go to a different map. Let's see. Let's go with Evertides. I'm trying to figure out how to get slow motion to work. Oh, T. Oh, there we go. We don't need this. Oh, it works much better in slow motion. Move door. Yeah. Hi. Yeah. Oh, what did I do? Oh no. Hi. Yeah. Yeah. Um. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. Anyways, guys, end of the video. Like and subscribe. Anyways, like and subscribe, guys. See you next video. Peace.